and by 1:34 a.m., so like an hour later, we had smashed 60 pips. So it was pretty quick. Okay, it's a very simple trade. You guys know I trade the same every single day, and how I was able to take this trade and make profits on it, man, the same thing as usual. Overall, to me, price is in a bullish state. Okay, starting from these lows, we're an uptrend. We're going up. This is a bullish trend. We're continuing. We're continuing to go up. Excuse me, and we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so I know I want to look for buys. I'm only taking buy positions during this session. Now, with that being said, there's a couple things you can look at. Now, I don't really use a moving average. However, there is a 9 moving average that I do have. Okay, you can use this. I don't really typically use it. I use this more for looking at, long-term trades in the stock market. But again, we do have a push to the upside above the 9 moving average. Again, it's irrelevant. Prior to that, we created support. Now, anytime I trade a breakout, I like to see a support or a resistance be created on the other side. So if I'm looking for a buy, I would like to see a support be created. If I'm looking for a sell, I want to see a resistance being created. So here we have a nice double bottom support that was created, and then we have that push. The biggest thing about how I trade is that I'm not just looking for a push, I'm looking for a trend line or a breakout off of a resistance or support. In this case, we have a trend line, right? We have a downtrend. While in this big upper trend, we have a quick little small downtrend that is then broken out of. Now, if price kept breaking down below these lows, okay, we're not looking for buys anymore. At this point, as we're coming down here, it's a seller's market, but it didn't happen. It created support, so we're still looking for buys. Let's see a trend line break or a resistance break, okay? Either one is going to be just fine. You don't have to have only one or have the other. Whatever the case may be, it's okay if you have a trend line break or a resistance break. They're pretty much just as valuable. Now, you could have easily waited and said, hey, let's wait till this high gets broken, and you still would have had a profitable trade on this breakout. But I prefer to get in as fast as possible, right when that support is created and we have the breakout. I'm trying to get in right away, so that way I don't miss pips. I can get in and get out, catch my 60 pips, go to sleep, and that's it. That's how I like to look at it. So this is today's trade, man, or last night's trade, I should say. I've been killing it in the signal room. I think we're 4-0 in the GJ room. It's been ridiculous. But with that being said, man, I hope you guys appreciate the videos, the content. I'm going to be pushing things out for you guys all the time.